click and drag all objects with the left mouse button in the design space as shown. Each item dragged into the design space will cause the initial position window to open. This window allows you to move objects in 3 dimensions or create a copy. Next, we will make all origin points visible for ease of mating. Since the bottle cap was the first object dragged into the design space, an anchor will be shown on the object, which means it is grounded to the origin of this parent drawing. Right-click on the bottle cap in the browser and select Unground from Parent in the opened tab. This allows the bottle cap to have full mobility. Now we will make the triad of each object and the parent drawing visible. Once completed, we will begin constraining the 3-dimensional objects. For rounded objects, I prefer to constrain by concentricity. This means selecting the cylindrical surfaces of the object or the center axis of the object. Aside from concentricity, you may also use flush, coincident, offset coincident, and offset angle. In the Constraint Components window, you can add multiple constraints to an object. It is a best practice to make your Component 1 the largest object to ensure there are no issues with selecting geometry for constraints. You may not be able to add a geometry to the same constraint set if the Component 1 is not the same for each additional constraint. The purpose of constraints is to ensure all components have zero movement in an assembly model. Once we verified by clicking and dragging the objects, we can now section the soda bottle to make sure there is no overlap between objects.